So I'm in the Negroni Lounge and I thought I'd do a bit of a review of something I've had a while. It's something that quite a few people have made comments on. So basically it's one of the watches I've had for many years, and there's a few of the watches I wear in various reviews where people have said, oh no, can you do a review on that? So this is one of the first ones. I did keep the box and everything. So I got this, I think probably maybe 2015, 2016, one of those, and it is one of the Breitlings I wear. So let's open up, and I'll do some comparisons as well. So I do like this watch. I probably don't wear it enough. I went through a phase of wearing it every day for about 6 months, and then I tend to, rotor watches in and out. Sometimes they fall out of favour a bit. So I hadn't opened this box for probably 6 years or so, if it was, since I, got it. And I was surprised that it came with this leather carry case, which is quite handy. It does say genuine leather. Feels good quality. Some of the other cases I've got, for example, with my tag watches, they come in this weird fake leather, and if you leave it in the box, they just deteriorate and peel off and stuff. So I'm guessing there's no reason to argue or not believe it is real leather. So there it is. So if I remember correctly, so it is a big watch. It's, I believe this one's 45mm. So I think now, so this, I believe now comes in 44 and 48. So this was, probably around the 2015 model. So let's take it out. So this isn't the original strap. This is an original Breitling strap, but I got this later. So the strap, which is somewhere hidden away in a drawer, I can't be bothered to dig it out, or can't. I did have a look, but I can't find it. Was some kind of canvas waterproof strap. I didn't really like it. It was very. It just didn't feel very comfortable. So I changed it out to this leather strap, and I wore this. Probably, well, you can see it's very worn. This leather strap probably for several years. I had it on the watch, and then probably about 2 years ago, I got this rubber strap as well. So you might change it back. I like the patina that this strap now has. It is a bit. I did wear it in water. It's pretty solid. It needs to be softened up a bit. Anyway, to the watch. Yeah, so it is quite a big watch at 45mm. It's Breitling. I mean, they do have reliable movements. They don't really, as far as I know, have in-house movements. So this runs a Valjoux movement, which is, a lot of different brands use those movements. So it's, cost certified. It's very reliable. I think the power reserve on this is 42 hours, but if any of that information is incorrect, feel free to correct me in the comments. It's a very solid watch. So I don't know if some of you might have watched. So it's a titanium watch. A lot of you, or some of you, might have watched the kind of review I did of the Omega Seamaster, the James Bond watch from No Time to Die. And I think the negative review that I had of the Omega was based on this. This is a huge, solid, really good, tough watch, and it's it's all titanium. The bezel is like rock solid, and you can just feel the quality when you're turning it. So when you look to, if anyone has handled or has the Omega Seamaster, then in comparison, it's just, actually I think it's just a body that's made of titanium. I think the bezel is made of like aluminum or something. Either way, this has got a titanium body, titanium bezel, and it feels very, very solid. Much, I prefer this over the Omega Seamaster, and this is less than half price. So overall, I think this is a far better choice than that Omega titanium model as well. So on the back, you've got just a bit of writing about, it says cost certified, special edition, 300-meter water resistance. So it's pretty simple. There is a chronograph version of this. This just has the date, and that's pretty much it. I get a bit closer. Probably should have cleaned it off. Let me have a quick wipe there. So yeah, it's a nice looking watch. Really reliable. You can bang this about. I mean, you can see maybe a tiny little chip there, or just a ding. It's coated. It's got some. I can't remember the name of the coating, but this titanium is coated with something. It's. I mean, Breitling have pitched this as like a military kind of inspired watch. So it's not meant to have glare. Obviously, so they've coated it with something. I can't remember the name of it. If I look at, so I'm wearing Tudor at the moment. If I put the Tudor, which is 42, you can see the difference. Let me take the Tudor off actually, just so if anyone's thinking of buying any of these, they can just see a comparison. So the Tudor is quite slab on the side, but you're looking at it front on, so you don't really notice that the Tudor is such a slab. I believe that the measurement was something like 14.2 millimeters. I can't remember this. I have a feeling it was like 16. You can see in terms of the, the lug to lug, it's quite a bit more. So yeah, that's a 42. So if I then move to like another one I had, another big watch. So this is 43. And this, I think, straight away is noticeably larger. Okay. In terms of width, yeah, it's thicker and bigger in every way than the Deep Sea. Sorry, not Deep Sea. Sea Dweller. Yeah, so overall, I mean, I probably won't bother going through well, actually, maybe I'll just have a quick look in the box. There's not too much else to say, really. In the box, you've got this kind of cool digital, I believe it's digital, kind of, your warranty and all this kind of stuff. There's the price. I think this was 6,610. So one bit of advice is if you're buying something like, you'd never get it with something like a Rolex or Tudor. But if you're buying a Breitling, a Mega, Tag, something like that, pretty much from my experiences, you would always be able to get a discount. I think I got something like 20% discount on this. My Mega, I believe it's like, usually I get 15% on the ones, both Seamasters actually. Yeah, so always ask for a discount, because those ones, for some reason, those brands are able to. So it's always worth asking if, it's going to be a significant chunk. So yeah, as a size comparison, I'll just line these up from biggest to smallest. Yeah, there you go. So if you have any more questions, let me know and I will answer in the comments. Thanks for watching.